Alright, YouTube, you don't know it is Stan TV Fever out there again with another video, is me. And the video we are dealing with today now is me is a we are there now video, you understand? And some of the artists them over years way not hit mainstream in a while. Them will still have the music and them some and them way, but me feel like them fall off, you understand? Based on so them probably get 30 odd million views and now them I get 400k and them way they. Me say them fall off, you understand? Me don't know what I think. So I go try if you look and so we pass what them artists are right now, you understand? So what them I do if them still do music, what them I do right now. So today we are doing where are they now video.
Do you want me to take you home and show you?
Alright. Well, I don't really know about nobody, is it? But for me, Tessan now, after Tessan win the voice and them thing there, I look forward to hear like she produce some music, she get some hits, she on the mainstream, you know them way they. Me actually they look over for something like that. But it's like after Tessan win the voice, she just end up in a one reserve state. And I really want good things still because she get married, she get one youth and them way they. And them something they don't know, so you have to put life in everything still. But to me, based on how the expectation of me did have for her, you really and truly, me feel like she fall off. You understand? I only can comment down this and tell me what I think about Tessan. And as I go along, I only can comment and tell me what I think about each one. But to me, me feel like say yo, Tessan chin fall off. So if you tell me if she not fall off or if she still up on the mainstream same way. But to me, she fall off. So Tessan chin fall off. Now we go again.
You know I said I wanna give you some sweet love on the night shift, later on the night shift. Oh baby, come hold me tight.
When it come to a busy signal, you understand? A busy signal still in our music and you still, we probably maybe hear one song or one of them way there one two song way. You must say something pass on rhythm and them way they still, you understand? But you see a busy signal where we grew up and listen to, you understand, where I produce them hits there and everywhere you walk up and down every bar you hear the busy they are play and them way they. The busy they gone, you understand? So the busy they fall off. You understand? So right now, you busy where you go on and do a little thing right now. I don't really know who him, you understand? So busy fall off. Yeah. Busy fall off fighting, you know? Yeah, I don't know what going for busy right now. Him fall off.
Step on me head, as me out born the next day, me granny dead, but them say, wanna kill you, make you stronger. Me see some man a try draw me out, but me a go and hold the younger. Me hear them talk, but me no answer. J-Wayne and J-Dan tell me say fi sing that song, yeah, right now I just the mercy of God, the mercy of God, the mercy of God. No, oh man I go through, I just the mercy of God.
Alright, when it comes to version, you know, this one kind of complicated, you understand? Yeah, the one I said away is it. Because I don't really want to say version drop off. But I'm more if you say your crowd leave him, you understand? Because yo, version still produce some wicked song, you understand? I say some good song, you understand? But me nah hear version I play in the street. You see me nah see version I trend on the YouTube, and I see the trending for no version, you understand? And them way they. But he still a build some good song, you understand? So I feel like he underrated, you understand? Because a really, really good artist is it. So, I'm saying drop off, but really and truly, I could leave him, you know. Yeah, could leave version. So, it's like a support where I get now, in a local again. You understand? Because I now hear him play in a local market, then so it's it. So, when it comes to what they say, the version drop off.
Dog, me get trapped between two girls, see. And I can't choose which one of them. Cause the black one cool and pretty, and the browning have money I spent. And the browning born February, dog, and the black one born April. So the two of them will kill for the cocky, dog. So the two of them jealous gone to hell. And she not like a dog, and she not like a neither.
Yo, all with lands, you know. Yo, it's like, I don't even know. Because when Lance just start out and it's like Lance a carry change, that's what change town him come from or somebody so. Yeah. But you know, see one of them get to this still. I'm not sure if I change tone, but I'm supposed to change tone. So we are use with I work with change tone. Lance a carry change tone on him back. I say yo, him want a better for change tone and all of them way, you understand? And everybody I say yo Ray, yeah. Lance say dream come true. Him sang a play in halfway G in a bus and them way there. And I say yeah. And them progress them more have seen I with them. And we don't know what happened. Me don't know. Me don't know how go on. Cause him IG up same way music still a come out, is it? But right now Lance gone back in a one stage like one of them artists who never the boss. You know them artists who are try for boss again. Not yet. Lance a try for boss again, but you know what the artists who never boss it and a try for boss. I this same man there and me can't understand how if a boss and then unboss. Me don't really know, is it? But Lance come show me say possibly understand. So in boss and unboss and a try boss again. And we don't know. We are gonna see how we go. We are gonna see how we go still because he's supposed to still young. We probably can't find one next hit, you know. We don't know. We have to just go and watch her go and same way. So Lance fall off same way to fall off.
I just so nice. I just so. She does a bubble like a chicken gravy. She make me feel like a little baby. She hold my time, I think I'm Madam Mary. I just so nice, I think I gotta save me. And she come in on my house and she never afraid it.
Alright, since I'm go a change tone, you understand? I could go this and even talk about potential kid. You understand? Because in a 2011, I say, yo, potential kid a reign everywhere you go. A potential kid a play. Yo, you man say, everybody I say, yo, you man name just match with everything when you got the potential. Is it? And I say, yeah, potential kid come to take over dancehall. Yeah, potential a run dancehall. So said that it potential kid just vanish. It probably bought one handful of song and then he just gone. And then now when next time we hear about potential kid. A potential kid in a wrongdoings in a place and them way there. We don't really know if I choose till it's in my allegation. So we don't really want to say we are spreading the rumor go the wrong way, so is it me? But that he named their call upon. And him there talk 2019 him a come back in the music. Well he come back, but come back on the what? Because him still a try a little things same way, but nothing na hit the market, so potential kid fall off. But everybody would have don't know that the one there they say, yo yeah, potential kid fall off. We don't think him have to come back. You understand? In time expire. See music change and all of them things so. I don't think him a keep up with the music way. Actually I make it now. So fall off.
Independent ladies, na 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 na. Me have money in my pocket, so I feel nice. No borrow girl clothes in a real life. Now.
Alright, Vanessa Bling, you see me? Otherwise known as Gaza Slim, yeah, from Gaza Empire and all of that, the story there and all of them, the drama there. Yeah, we're not really there to talk about all of that today still. Yeah, so Vanessa Bling makes a boom. Make mainstream as dancehall artist. Then boom, vanish, gone to gospel. And then Vanessa Bling back at it again. Right now. Ina dancehall again. You see me? I'm surprised. You see it? I'm surprised. Say yo, she come back in her dancehall based on how she did so holy at one point, you understand? Alright, now as we there talk today, the date, yeah. You win the video I make. Yeah man, I go check out Vanessa Bling and them way there. And Vanessa just drop all a song to Dismay or something like that, one single. Yeah. So Vanessa Bling still I do music and all of them thing there. And everything right now same way. But I guess say yo, she not like it mainstream in Jamaica, yeah. She supposed to be she one of them foreign country they still, you understand? I suppose one of them foreign country that she there and things. She's supposed to go and go over there. Yeah, so it probably seem like she fall off, but really and truly that she fall off a yard there, so. So we don't really know what go on still if she come back on catch back in Jamaican market or what. So right now, she fall off.
Girl, come see do Panda bike, hold on tight on the bike back, girl. Cause you don't know, say I not like that. Come let me put up on the bike back, hold on tight on the bike, girl. You know Russian and black, I not like that.
Alright, since today night, guys, I empire and them way there. I make some boom. I talk about Black Rhino him now. You see it? I say, yo, Black Rhino, this man you know way, yo. Remember say Black Rhino and Popcorn. About seeing I see him one time them way there, you see it? And Popcorn makes a boom. Alright, now Popcorn is one of the biggest thing in Jamaica right now, you see me? We don't really care who no one admit the facts, yo. Basically certain go, you understand? You don't have to be an artist or anything, but you have to just give me and forget. You see it? But right now, I can't even find one social media for Black Rhino. I don't know where Black Rhino is. I don't know where Black Rhino gone. I don't know where I do. You understand? Because I must have in 2018 or 17 thereabout. Him clash on them with it. So him do some form of clash on them with it. And them thing there and win clash and sting and some foolishness them with it. But I can't see how an artist basically lyrical and those can't see him. I don't know when they have talent. We don't know where I do. No, this still confuse me, understand. I can't find that you want social media for him, man. Them when I bury, them when I fall off, man. Them when I dead, them when I gone.
You know, see telephone thing mash up me life. It make me till I call you why. You know, see telephone thing mash up me life. It make me girl run gone for night.
Right, keep rich. You understand? Keep rich now. Keep rich are more back for in 90s. Yeah, man, people them born in the 90s something them way there and go back. You understand? Them alone can relate to this right now. Yeah, 2000 born them now go really to know what going on. So yeah, probably 2000. Yeah, or maybe 2001. Yeah, but different from that. Me not think nothing further than this is supposed to can relate to me I go talk about, you know. Because back in the days probably about 3 them way there. Yeah, keep rich, number 1 for Future top 10 chart and them way there. I keep rich they just run off the whole of that. You understand? And then keep rich vanish and come back again when time a clash go on. And since I talk about Black Rhino a while ago, it would have unfair for me to talk about keep rich a drop off, him fall off wicked. Yeah. And then keep rich makes a boom and run off the clash there and thing. Him and Black Rhino, it must complicated. Them win 1 year and next one win next year, something like that. Some foolishness they saw again same way. Yeah. But what really go on, I fact say your dog change up his style and change him flow and them all of them thing there. And him a do music now, right now, same way. But the crowd left him. So I don't know if I underrated now or a music change and if his style of him pick up just now. There's no music, there's not really, how am I say it, you know? His style of him pick up and now just now matching with the music where people are listening to now. Some other say it here. So the crowd leave him again, you understand? But he might go on doing things same way, so if you don't want to go over there, go look for see him go on with. If you don't find no sense in the way lyrics them I put together, you can't do that same.
Say, oh me, oh my, get my pretty sky and I ask God, oh I, because me a the girl inna the tight up skirts, me a the girl inna the tight up skirts. Wine the way show you up my worth, wine the way show you up my worth. Me a the girl inna the tight up skirts, me a the girl inna the tight up skirts. Wine the way show you up my worth, wine the way show you up my worth. Yeah, I go.
Alright, Samantha J, yeah. That's the girl where parents grow her up in a church and all of them things there. You see it? But life kinda really funny still, you understand? Because when she just about just to come out, it's like parents never really approve of it, say yo Ray, dancehall, choice of music and them things, they understand, but you can't do so much and no more, you understand? Can't grow a child the way you want them to be, but them still gonna be who them did born for be, understand, same way. And right now, if I never really this me I don't mood even know what I go out. Someone Jay say yo, she did meet in an accident, recover, get one youth same way too, and still I do music same way. But it's just that we not hear her, you understand? Or me not hear her more and say. Because probably some people still follow her up on the IG and so then we see her go on. But in music, she probably still do dancehall, yes, but I don't really dancehall fully kind of mix with rap or something like that same way. So, you know, really so much in a free market. So, we're not going to really see that trend on free YouTube and then we there pop up on YouTube screen and then we go to go watch few video on YouTube and anything, they understand. But she still do her thing still, but for me, yeah, she fall off too. You understand? Fall off, way off.
Do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. She walks like a model. She grants my wishes like a genie in a bottle. Yeah, yeah, cause I'm the wizard of love.
Alright. Yo, if me never talk about Omi, me just feel like it would have made no sense. Me actually make the video and none at all, you understand? If me never talk about Omi. Yo, Omi almost the first Jamaican in a history of all of Jamaican music. We get 1 billion views on YouTube. 1 billion views. Me never say 1 million. Me say 1 billion views on YouTube. Me no see how you get 1 billion views on YouTube and can't find another hit, can't find another song where figure probably 100 million or something like that. Me no know. Me concerned. Because everybody will probably say, oh yeah. And we understand all of that. We understand all that say, oh yeah, you look good and yeah, you put Jamaica one next place, yeah. We understand all of that and everything. But where next song the way follow up song the way next song the way if you put out, what you do? Oh, me have play piano to the artist if you sing song I play piano. Piano me see oh me I play on him IG. Every day get up and play piano and can't find an exit, you understand? I don't know. This a man a fall far. He never fall off. Like we say, yo, him fall off and he come back. I don't know what go on with him. I don't know. People, me I tell them, I don't know. Me do the video because I owe me. Me there and I said, no sir. Hey, I'm do the video just because I owe me career. I say, I don't know where owe me career gone. It is somewhere, but I don't know where they. I will probably see somebody on stage I play piano and next year you say, oh, are they Jamaican reggae or dancehall artists that when about this I play piano because like that I'm interested in right now.